Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another special kakanin in Batangas, kalamay na mais. Kalamay na mais is made with a mixture of mais or corn combined with coconut milk, sugar, and butter. My mother used to cook this when we were young, so I have to recreate this recipe because this is one of my favorites. This is a very simple recipe because all you have to do is mix everything and cook in a pan. The ingredients are, for kalamay na mais, 3 cups of coconut milk, 2 cans of whole kernel, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of butter. And for the latik, 1 cup of coconut milk. And of course, we prepared our pan. Okay, we're going to start mixing. We're going to process this corn in this blender. We're going to add 1/2 cup of water. Water from the can. The other can. We're going to strain this mixture so our kalamay is smooth. Three cups of coconut milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, the cornstarch, and the corn. Continue stirring until thick drop of yellow food color. You can add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Lastly, add the butter. This is done. Set this aside. Then we're going to cook the latik. We're going to cook the latik. Add the coconut milk. Stir occasionally until this curds. strain the mixture to separate the oil from the latik. Then we're going to put the latik. There you have it, my kalamay mais. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!